Rationalize 15 plus root 5 all over 4 plus root 5. Okay. Rationalize 15 plus root 5 all over 4 plus root 5. Now listen to me carefully. This topic, this question is coming from a topic known as surd. You understand? And in surd, if you want to rationalize, this is in irrational part. You understand? The denominator consists of an irrational part. So if you want to rationalize this, that means that you have to do something to this surd in such a way that you won't have a square root at the denominator again. You understand? The denominator consists of square roots. You understand? We have root 5 at the denominator. So you have to do something to this surd in such a way that at the end of your answer, you won't have square root at the denominator again. That is what we mean by rationalization. You understand? Removal of square root at the denominator of a surdic fraction. You understand? Okay, so if you want to rationalize this, you are going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. You understand? If you want to learn more on surd, there is a link in the description of this video. Click on that link, watch all the classes, and at the end of the day, you will gain mastery of the topic. Are you getting it? So for this now, if you want to rationalize this, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is 4 minus root 5. Okay, this over 4 minus root 5. Okay, by so doing, you are going to rationalize the surd. So for this, I'm going to have 15 plus root 5 multiplied by 4 minus root 5. This over 4 plus root 5 multiplied by 4 minus root 5. Okay, now 15, I'm coming. 15 times 4, that is 60. 60. 15 times minus root 5, that is what? Minus 15 root 5. Plus root 5 times 4, that is what? Plus 5. Okay, plus 4 root 5. Plus root 5 times minus root 5, that is what? Minus root 25. Minus root 25. Okay, this all over 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times minus root 5 minus 4 root 5. Then plus root 5 times 4, that is what? Plus 4 root 5. Then plus root 5 times minus root 5, that is what? Minus root 25. Do you understand? Okay, so for this now, I'm going to have 60 minus 15 root 5 plus 4 root 5. 60 minus 11 root 5. Are you getting it? Minus 15 root 5 plus 4 root 5 will give me minus 11 root 5. Now, minus, please pay attention, minus root 25. The square root of 25 is what? 5. So I'm going to have minus 5 all over 16. Now, minus 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 will eliminate each other. So I'm going to have, this will cancel. So I'm left with what? 16 minus, now, what is the square root of 25? That is what? 5. Okay, so this will give me 60 minus 5. That is what? 55. 55 minus 11 root 5 all over 16 minus 5. That is 11. Do you understand it to this point? Okay, now from that point, we can divide both the numerator. We can divide the numerator by the 11. You understand? So 11 here, okay, 11 multiplied by 5 times, okay, 5 minus root 5 all over 11. This cancel this. So the final answer to this question is 5 minus root 5. That is the correct option. Do you understand? Okay, you see, surd is an important topic in mathematics, and understanding this is crucial to solve this question. Okay, there are rules that guide the topic. So I would advise you, if you didn't understand the topics, check the link in the description of this video, watch the classes. Okay, so the correct option to that question is option A. Option A is correct. Option A is 5 minus root 5. Option B is 4 minus root 5. Option C, 3 minus root 5. Option D, 2 minus root 5 over 5. Option E, 1 minus root 5 over 5. So correct option is option A.